What's up guys, hope you're doing well as can be. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your graphics card's thermal paste. You need a Phillips head screwdriver, some thermal paste. The one I'm using is simply some Deep Cool Z3 thermal paste. It's not too expensive. I'll leave a link down in the description for pricing. So for you guys that don't know, you always unscrew in a crisscross pattern. So first I'm gonna unscrew screw 1, unscrew screw 2, unscrew 3 and 4. Four screws. Right now. This is now simply the heatsink separating from the PCB of the GPU. So you're gonna take some alcohol wipes, tissue, anything in that regard, just to clean off the diode or the physical GPU, and then clean the heatsink as well. So you can see I'm applying limited amount of thermal paste, guys, and I'm just gonna spread it out afterwards. There we go. Nice even spread. It's now time for assembling everything back together. The difference in temperature wasn't so significant, guys, but I'm putting up a chart right now to show you before and after. So I hope this video was at all informative. Let me know in the comment section what thermal paste you mainly use or you recommend, and don't forget to hit that like button, guys, and also please don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already. See you in the next one.